The building was constructed in 2004. It's a Millennium project. It was opened by the Queen in October, so we're in our 15th year at the moment. The building has been used by over 1 million people every year. It's one of the largest tourist attractions in Wales. And the building is already a national icon. If you turn the TV on at night, you'll see it in the background of every news programme. One of our continual challenges is the building is now 15 years old in itself. And obsolescence, believe it or not, is fast approaching everything at that age, especially when you're looking at technology, and building management systems are a technical product. We've actually upgraded our old system twice throughout its lifetime, but we're at a point now where we looked at what's best for the future.
The project that we took on was actually a refurbishment of the existing system, and when we're doing that, I think it's quite important to understand what the customer needs, what the system layout and infrastructure is, and work out a solution that really matches everything that they're aspiring to, but it was also an affordable solution in terms of matching the new solution with the infrastructure that's already present.
The building is never the same 2 days running, and one thing that is very useful is being in control of what's happening in every single room. So visibility is really, really important to us on a daily basis.
Desigo CC and PX is our platform for controlling the heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and also fire and security within a building. The Desigo CC system is an open system. It runs on a system called BACnet, which allows it to talk to lots of different equipment within the building. And it's very well suited to a range of uses. So it could be used in small areas, large areas, within the same building, and connects them all up to get the most efficient and comfortable system that you can.
I think the main challenge was actually reusing some of the existing infrastructure. So the sub-networks that are in here from the previous system were intended to be left in place because of made it more of an affordable upgrade. And the Siemens Desigo product lent itself very well to that.
It is a running building. It's not like starting a new building from scratch. So what we need to do is ensure that the system can keep running alongside the existing system, so that we can keep the building running and it's still a great place for people to visit at the same time. So you do that by doing it a section at a time until the point where you've completely replaced the existing system and you've got a full Siemens Desigo system running. The way that we have helped create the perfect performing art space is by making it a really good place for people to actually perform, but also for people to come and watch those people performing as well. And that's done by ensuring that you get good changeovers of fresh air within the auditorium, so that you don't get a huge build-up of CO2. If you've got 1900 plus people in a room all at once, they create a lot of carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide makes people feel sleepy. So what you need to do is make sure that you change that air on a regular basis, keep people wide awake and enjoying the performance.
Siemens are a really good partner to work with. I mean, they will offer good technical support, they've got a good training program, and their pricing of their product for us makes it a competitive system to be putting forward, which is always important.